you how to make your keffir milk. So the grains and the milk, fresh milk, have been in this glass jar. You can use a plastic tub, that's fine. I think metal's not so good. And so I've left that overnight. It's got a lid on it. It's not an airtight lid because it creates gas. You don't want to have it airtight. So that's been sitting there overnight, and that smells a little ripe, it must be said, but it's actually fine. So we just sieve it. They recommend using a plastic sieve to sieve it. So rather than a metal sieve, so I've got this plastic sieve. Stick it over the jug, pour it out. You can see the lumps in there. That's the lumps, the keffir grains. I'll just give it a little sieve like that. There we go. You can see the milk coming through, the keffir milk. And there are the grains kept in the sieve. You can see them there. So there we go, that's all the milk coming through. I'll give those a rinse under the tap. They say you should use dechlorinated water, which means officially if you get some water in a jug and leave it for an hour or so for the chlorine in it just to disappear, evaporates off, it's better. But I've been using fresh tap water for 2 years and it's absolutely fine, so I'm not going to worry about that. Ready?
I just played.
Okay, so now I've got the milk in the jug. Just give that a bit of a mix. Sometimes it separates a touch, but actually I'll just mix it up like that. And I don't mind it just like that. It's okay. If you have a look at it, it's a little bit bubbly. It's made some carbon dioxide. It's made it a bit sparkly. There's a bit of a smell to it. It's a little bit sour, but actually it's great. What I do for the kids, so I pour that in there for my cereal. Sophie, you want banana? Strawberry? Okay, let's do that. Wrong one, supposed to go in there. There we go. So put the strawberry in there, and just for about makes one smoothie. So strawberry and banana in there. Get the whizzer, whiz that up. Good. There's Sophie's smoothie, and then I'll just quickly show you what we do with this. So that's the grains that I just filtered, that I just sieved. I'll wash them under some tap water. Give the jar a little rinse out too. Squeeze out some of the water. So that's the grains, these little lumpy bits of cauliflowery type stuff. They'll grow, so each day you'll have a little bit more in there than before, which is why I can share some. So every now and again I take out, I half it, but for that size jar that's actually quite a lot. I'm ready to take some out. Stick in some fresh milk. Pop the lid on, so I put the lid on but not tight. As I said, some air is produced in there. So just to stop anything falling in as much as anything, keep it clean. And there we go.